Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how can we create a website using NetBeans and run it on the WAM server. So at first, let's start with creating a website. So go to the start and select the NetBeans. This is the IDE which has been downloaded in the previous video. Now, how can we create a website using the NetBeans? So go to the file menu and select the new project. Then from the left hand, select a PHP, and from the right hand, select PHP application. Then click Next. Now, let's call this website as front end web. Then go to the browse. Where should I put my website? In PHP, when you install a WAMP server, you should put it inside this location in the C WAMP64 www. This is the default path for your web server, C164 and www, then another backward slash and copy the name of the project. So in this case, you will create a folder called front end web in the default path for your WAMP server. Now click on finish. Okay, so this is the first page. Don't care about what this code means. I'm going to illustrate it one by one. But at first, how can we run this page? So here, you should select which browser you are going to use, either the default browser, the Internet Explorer, Edge, Firefox, and Chrome. In fact, I'm going to use the Chrome. Then right-click anywhere here and select Run File. Okay, let's see. When I am selecting the Run File, as you can see here, you cannot find the page. The localhost page cannot be found. This because the WAMP server is not running. So let's go here and run the WAMP server. Double click on the WAMP server and click yes. So this will start the service of the web server. You will find it here with three colors, red, yellow, and then it is green. So when this icon is green, this means the WAMP is online now. So let's go back here in the browser, put this colon 8080 and enter yes. So this is the first page in the WAMP server. What about this one? You may need not this type, but to me, I have installed two web servers inside this computer, so I need to add another port for the WAMP server. So in this video, we have created a website using the NetBeans and then run it using the WAMP server. See you next video.